So I've got to do this video because JayzTwoCents is giving garbage advice to buy 3000 series RTX graphics cards before the 4000 series come out, just because they might have fallen to MSRP. That is garbage advice, and I'm going to explain why in this video. First is from the horse's mouth.
And then you're an idiot because they're going to be gone, and you're going to be finding yourself in a situation where you can't get either. Again, history repeats itself, and people are still going to find themselves in this spot because they refuse to listen. So for those of you out there that are intelligent enough to understand what I'm saying, go buy your graphics card right now if you're in the market and you're waiting for 40 series to launch for 30 series price and drop. It just dropped. What are you waiting for? Stop this video and go buy something, whether it be AMD or Nvidia, now.
So now I'm going to explain why it's complete garbage. The advice is given to go out and buy graphics cards. Firstly, crypto collapse. Ethereum's fallen from $4,800 to $1,000, and worse for the other cryptos. Look at Bitcoin. It's gone from 68,000 to 19,300. Lost 66% of its value. So crypto miners, what are they doing? They're flooding the market with the GPUs, and they'll increasingly be doing so over the coming months. Now if you look at the prices of the GPUs in the UK, the new cards are still ridiculously priced. They've come down, but RTX 3080s 840, that's ridiculous. 1000, ridiculous. So the new cards, they've come down, but they're still ridiculously priced, and that's what he's aiming towards, to go and buy a new card. I don't know if he's in cahoots with Nvidia to soak up their supply for the new cards or what, but the advice he's giving is garbage. Because if you go to eBay, you can see they're selling for $650. Obviously, you're going to have to check just to make sure what you're getting isn't, being thrashed for GPU mining, for cryptos. But you're selling for $640 RTX 3080, and not so long ago these were selling for £1,300 used the GPU. Now they're halved, and I think they're going to fall further because there's a wave of supply coming from the crypto maniacs. As look, each time it dips, it makes it less profitable to mine, and the critical dip was below 30,000 to 20,000. Now imagine what's going to happen if it dips to 10,000, which it could do. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, which is going to move to proof of stake eventually. Although they've been saying it for a long time, it's gone from 4,800 when it was profitable to mine to what? 1,000, and it could keep going to 500. No one's going to be mining Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's not worth it. And similar for the other cryptos, like Solana, that crypto maniacs tend to bang on about. It's gone from 260 to 33. That's nearly a 90% drop. 80%, no, it says it there, 80% year to date, 90% on this chart from November. So that's why JayzTwoCents is giving garbage advice right now. There's no rush to go out and buy a GPU. And why are you going to pay a stupid price for a new one when, after some research, asking the right question, that they've not used the GPU for mining, or if they have, they've they've undervolted it, and had the fans running at high speed. So that will deal with the issue of using for mining. But all these prices have come down a lot. They've halved, and by the time the RTX 4000 series come out, these could be selling for £400 easy. That's another 50% drop. Nearly another 50% drop. So why are you going to rush out and buy a brand new card now? Pay in the UK, say £800, £800 to £900. Then in a few months' time, you can get a RTX 3080 used for about £400, 1/3 the price. what it was selling at, you know, just a few months ago. And no, there's not going to be any recovery in crypto anytime soon. Not with the Fed rate hikes. No, it's going to be this bear market is going to go on. It could go on for years. No, steps down. Let's stick with Bitcoin. You can see the steps that the cryptos take. There's a big. This was the initial bear market. Then it was consolidating. Just above 30,000, then step down, yeah, or 40,000 I mean, and then step down to 30, now it step down to 20, next step down would be to 10, after maybe, well, the second step, there wasn't, this step was quite long, this one was pretty brief, and this one might be brief as well. 10,000, it could go to $4,000, previous bear markets. Look, it's going down. It should go at least at, I would say, 10,000. Anyway, this video is not about cryptos. This video is about RTX 3080 cards and why JayzTwoCents is giving garbage advice. Garbage. Why? You know what you're talking about. You're giving shit advice for. This is not the time to rush out and buy a brand new RTX 3080 or 3090. They're ridiculously priced. Look at 3090. What you £1,500 for marginal performance boost. Look at this stupid price. Let's see what they're selling for on eBay. Look, what were they selling for? 1,500, 1,600, 2.5. That's stupid prices. 1,800, 1,700. No, they're not reasonable. £1,400 for a GPU is not reasonable. They are not reasonable prices. Maybe 900 might be, but there's never been reasonable for what performance gain you get. It's not worth it. Let's have a look at 3090. What's it second hand now? Is it under 1,000 yet? Ooh, what's this? That can't be right. Must be brand new. That's the scam. From China, yeah, you never get it. So let's leave the scam. Look there, you got 930, 900, 930. Yeah, you're getting them RTX 3090s. There might be the standard Founders editions. MSI is the Asus. Let's see what the Asus are. So you're getting them for under 1,000 now, second hand. And if you wait, you could probably get them for under 700 in RTX 3080 under 400. You know, there's not that much performance different. Maybe if you need the memory, that's the only thing I could, you know, think about getting a RTX 3090s if you need the memory. If you don't need the memory, just go over the 3080. You got the non-locked 10 gigabyte and the locked 12 gigabytes mainly. Or some 10 gigabytes are locked as well. But there's no point. You're not going to do any mining on them anyway. So they are going for under £1,000. Let's look at this one. MSI. Oh, let's look at under 1,000. 999. These are going to drop to under 800. Let's have a look. Who's selling this? Got positive feedback. Tough, yeah, Asus Tough. That's a good one. 3090, brand new and sealed. I don't believe that. Where's the seal? I can't see no seal. There's no seal. So where's the seal? Let's see what it says. Brand new. Not accept returns. What do you mean not accept returns? If it's faulty, you're gonna. It's got 100% feedback. Or she. They're selling the same one. Oh, that's Logstrix. Definitely a minor. Let's see, 87 items sold. Anyway, so basically I'm saying, you know, JayzTwoCents should know better. I don't know why he's giving crap advice. But you can get an RTX 3090 now for under £1,000 when it used to be over £2,000 halved. And RTX 3080 for $650 when they used to be over 1400, and they're going to fall further. I would imagine RTX 3090s will sell for less than £800, around that mark. They're getting there. That was not such a big move. And RTX 3080s will be under £400, around that mark, £400 mark, where there'll be a good buy. You know, RTX 3080s at £400 a good buy. You know, even at £800. Yeah, it'd be a okay buy at 3090. You're not going to get much performance increase over 3080. It's just the memory, like I said. 24 gigabyte. That's a lot of memory. You know, the RTX 3080 should have started with 12 gig, but they didn't. They did 10 gig for some reason. I've got an RTX 3080. Bought it when it come out, well, early 2021. It's part of a PC build. I think I paid £900. Oh, no, how much did I pay for it? I think it was £780 I paid for it. Sterling was stronger then. It's part of a PC build. So I got a good price. Anyway, that's my video. There's no rush to buy. They're going to fall in price.